So if you want to transfer your gallery photos from one phone to another phone, well, this one is really easy. Now, if you're not aware yet, there's a specific feature here on Android devices that's called Quick Share. Now, this allows you to quickly share to other nearby Android devices here that also supports Quick Share. Now, how do you exactly do that? Well, first things first is you want to guarantee that you have your Wi-Fi enabled, your Bluetooth connectivity enabled, and also your location enabled. So these three settings here are required in order for you to start using QuickShare. But once you have that, you want to go open up Gallery here, open up the photo that you may want to share. Like for example, you have this photo here. Click on the share button you see at the bottom left of your screen, and click on the option here that says Quick Share. Now, by the way, if you don't see that immediately, you can go and just basically scroll to the right section here, click on Quick Share, and from here, you want to first set up your quick share. Now, you could go and just click on continue. And from here, you could go and just select the files here. Now, it's going to basically start sending to nearby devices, looking for devices. Now, if you don't, or if the person is not appearing in here, what I would recommend you try doing here is you want to click on use QR code, and you just need to open up your other phone and basically scan the QR code that you are seeing on your screen. So I'm just going to quickly scan this on my other phone. It's going to say quick share link. Go and click on search on that specific um of on your phone. And once you've done that, it should initiate or start the connection process. Now, it might take a while for the connection to basically establish. So just wait for a while in here. Also, by the way, you need to make sure that quick share and also your phone is visible to anyone on your other phone. But if your phone is visible, you should be able to see that in nearby devices as well. If just in case like the QR code method does not work for you, but you could go and just select that and start. It's going to start the connection process. It's now going to give you a pin, so you could go and just match that with your phone. Click on accept on your other phone, and it's going to start the sending process, and that should basically send your photo. Now, it might take a while, so just wait for it to finish, but that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.